in answer ka yes ani chuan in thumbs up thinang in microphone ka on lovin zona ka zo chaw in thia chaw in thumbs up don ni le okay mi zo tongin kan explain nga mathematics bi ka chuan in le voinia chuan in fraction kan zir don ani fraction ming shim chu kan thato tro plus 4 han kan zir to okay you have to take your notebook and your pencil or pen. Yes. Okay, get ready. Okay, write down fraction. The name of the chapter is fraction, and write down properties of fraction. All right. Okay, write down all these three properties of all these three properties about fraction. The first one is okay. The first one is fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, I'm gonna explain afterwards. And the second one is the number which have numerator and denominator is called fraction. Okay, I'm gonna explain afterwards. This one also. And the third one is it must be equal parts. Okay. In nota han fel fai ta kin nal ta khan lo ziek chokula chuan in. Okay, I'm gonna explain what the meaning of these three properties is. Okay. Can I erase? Can I erase? Yes or no? Okay. Someone say yes, someone say no. All right. Okay. Let's explain the first one. The first property, fraction is a part of a whole. Whole kan ti chuan pum mo. Whole kan ti chuan pum entirnan. For example, heta hena sira hin lo ziek taila. An hoya hin lo ziek taila. Sira kan ziek mai nga. Birthday kan lom don ta ni birthday cake ka. Birthday cake can order. You don't have to write the figure. Okay. Hay to Sophia Nania in zingai lavang. Le birthday kan tu birthday ka lonita ni kan train pa birthday ka lonita it's one in cake ka circle shape kanin an order mo cake ka circle abialti kan an order tani it's one in chu cake chu kan zai don tani tro tuman cake ka apum puminan ke tuam ngai lo tro an zai thin ani it's one kan zai dona ain tia thapin kan zai don ani. Look at the third property. It must be equal parts. Okay, this is very important. It must be equal part. Anin tiat vekangai. No, this one kan zai don ta ngil da wahan lo ngai ula. Le ti hianin ta hian alai tak hain ka zai phel ta ni alai tak lo ni ta se. Okay. Ti chuan in huneng za ta nge ka then. Huneng za ta nge ka zai tak le. Huneng za ta nge hun khat. 1 2 3. Za nge le. Okay. Show me with your finger. Huneng za ta nge ka zai le. Mun ni ya tro. ani chuan heti lampang hi keima ta tur khalo ni ta se pakhat zawk hi kata tur ni lo khalo ni ta se tro ti chuan chu atira ke pakhat apum makha hol kha part ta kan chen chang ta ni tro piece nia kan chen chang ta ni part nia kan chen chang ta ni tro chu fraction om zia chu ni maya le pani zinga pakhat zawk hi keima ta ani chuanin kata chu fraction in kan ziak theita a fraction in kan ziak theita a chu enting aniang. Okay, look at the second property. The number which have numerator and denominator is called fraction. Okay. Numerator ka kan la yang tro class 4 kan zir to a numerator 2 number chung le hnuai nei fraction a chung zo kha ni and denominator 2 a hnuai zo kha ni chin chia tur le heng kimya fraction in kan zia theita kang le kan ti chuan kata kha piece khat part khat 1 ania chu bang chuanin a chunga 1 kan zia kanga okay ti chuanin apum pui piece om zong zat total number of parts kha part zong zat kha an hoi azia le turani part teng zat nge om 1 2 tro. Okay, common mistake. I'm gonna tell you the common mistake right now. Common mistake chuan then khat chuanin shaded part hi achung an ziak dik kapani ma se unshaded part za che hi an hnuai an ziak entinan 1 by 1 mo hei hi common mistake ani an hnuai chuanin total number of parts part zong kha vain zia vector example part om 1 2 okay total number of parts is 2 ti chuanin keima chan bi ka chu keima ta bi ka chu 1 by 2 tina lam ta ne 1 by 2 is also called half 1 by 2 is half ti chuanin ke mun nia kan zaya a half that is 1 by 2 chu kata alonita ni okay le tuna part ayatamin kan chanchang le sinang okay part teng sa tange kan chanchang tak le okay show me with your finger part teng sa tange kan chanchang part liya tro okay very good le 1 2 3 4 all right I'm gonna erase this part le mun liya ka zai ve thunga it must be equal part okay suppose all the parts are equal okay part zong hi in tiat veka longai taila whiteboard ta chuna nala zia dik thap kha hara in tiat veka longai taila ti chun le heng te kan zia thei tak le ke kha mun liya ka zaya mun khat kha ke ma ta niya nang ma ta niya mo nang ma ni theu ta nga han longai taula le in ta chu anti fraction in kan zia thei ta kang le kata mun khat part zong 1 2 3 4 total number of parts anwaya okay and then which one is numerator numerator show me with your finger which one is numerator 1 or 4 numerator 1 or 4 okay 1 this is numerator okay and this is denominator okay the upper one is numerator and the lower one is denominator. Okay. Le ti chuanin antirnan adik laudan. No. Adik laudan try can explain le don ani. Le hi bial papa. This is circle. A bial lu tu ka longai ula bial pap. Le ti chuanin kan zai le don he ke ki kan zai le don. This is cake. Okay. And okay, I'm gonna slice it. Le cake ka zai le ta shaded part hi katalo ni le ta ni italo ni le ta ni shaded part hi ke ma ta tur ka chan pual alo ni le ta hey fractioning kan ziak them. Fractioning kan ziak them. If yes, thumbs up. If no, thumbs down. Fractioning kan ziak them. Okay. Okay, we can write this as fraction. Okay. Because of what? Do you know? Okay, because of the third property, it must be equal parts. Okay, they are not equal parts, isn't it? This is not equal to, all right, this is equal to atluk, and this is not equal to tluklau. This is not equal to 1/4. We can write as 1/4. Okay. Fractioning kan ziak ve thai lo ta ni. All right. Ti chuanin fraction ni na kan fachiang to tro. Thil kan zir reng in fraction kan zira enge fraction chu om zia kan fachiang tu rani. A concept kan man tu rani. Fraction ni na ta hi in low by heart with understanding. By heart satli alo tur. Shathiam chunga zir tu rani. Le. Okay, let's move on to some exercise. Okay, I'm gonna erase this. Okay. Get ready your pencil and your notebook. Le fraction ni na kan theta ti chuanin fraction bel le pai dan kan zir le don ani zo to ni fraction bel le pai dan kan zir le lok don ni le ama sain fraction bel tima to belem okay, first 3/4 plus 5 by 8. Okay, we're gonna add two fractions. Fraction panikan beldona. The first one is 3 by 4. Okay, before that, I almost forget how to say fraction in Mizo. Le Mizo chonga soidan ka soi thengil trap. All right. Le fraction ni Mizo chong kan soi thaya. Ente kan soidon kan ti chuan. An hnuai zok kin chin khan in total kan ti to tro total number of parts and achung zok chu some part tro. Le Mizo chong chuan in we can say this fraction as mun li athena mun thum. Okay. Mun liya kan thena mun thum kha some part. Okay. And this is mun ria ta thena mun nga. Mizo tonga chuan a total kha soi masak zel tur tina ni chu oh mun ria ta thena mun nga ti khani nang mani khan lo soi veta ula mo ka sha thei chung lo nangin mun li a thena mun thum mun ria ta thena mun nga. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, we're gonna add these two fractions. First one is 3 by 4. Second one is 5 by 8. Le fraction belle pai chu lo chin sia la tur oh fraction kan belle mo kan pai don chuan LCM kan zong thri nang oh ti hianin achung le chung kan bel thei mi lo. Okay, we can't add the numerators directly, the denominators directly right now. Okay. We have to find out LCM first from the denominator. An hnuai tangin LCM kan zong potang. Oh, LCM zon dan ha. LCM ka enghang nge kan zon twin kha. Common division method. Tro. Kan la shit kareng heta. Rough page asira hang kan ziek mai nga. Laula ziek laula ngai thapotula. LCM to denominator tanga zon trin turani. Oh, anway tangin. Tituanin LCM kan zong dona 4 and 8. Tituanin asira hian side numbers. Asira hian number kan ziek dona tro. Tas 4 kan zir thok to asira hian number kan ziek dona shia jang tur chu heta hian prime numbers. Prime number ba kan ziek thailo. Oh. Prime number 1 to 100 plus 4 can by heart totro 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Okay, I'm going to write a little bit here. And so on. Okay. Le asira hianin prime number chi kan ziek thei ti ka shia drang turani. Oh. What is the smallest prime number? What is the smallest prime number? Okay, someone say 2. Okay, 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, that is correct. Okay, you should respond me with your finger whenever I ask you any question. Okay. Okay, 2 is the smallest prime number. Prime number means the number which have only 2 factors. Okay. Do you still remember? We have learned in class 4. Prime number means the number which have only 2 factors. Those are 1 and the number itself. Okay, I think you still remember. Okay, the smallest, we are going to start from the smallest prime number. Ate beratang kan donani. Oh, the smallest prime number is 2. Le 2 in several thaya name le. Neitro 2 to an even number zong a several thaya veka 2 bang chuan this is even number and this is also even number. Okay, we can start with 2. Okay, the smallest prime number. 2. All right. 4 is 2 times 2. You got it? 8 is 2 times 4. Okay. Divide ne nay nang rang. Oh. Le. Ti chunin atopa one vek ma chu kan ti char don ani. 2 in semral thayela ne em le. Nei tro even ve la nia 2 in kan ti le thay. 2 1 zer 2 sorry. 2 zer. Okay. And 2 again. 1 2 thầy to lo nga in zia mai tur ania a thei lo piang kha nga in zia tur 2 1 zer. Okay. Atopa 1 vekaron chokta. We have done it. Let it in LCM 2 asir side numbers product hinitani. Do you still remember the meaning of product? Product means in mathematics the answer of multiplication. Okay, we're gonna multiply these 3 side numbers. LCM of 4 and 8. Can you see my handwriting clearly? Okay. Okay, the LCM should be the product of the side numbers. Product means puntir chua. Okay, the answer of multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2. Kalau ziak nai de ulak ani het ta hian zia dai tur nang ni chon nai lo dewa het level hian in ziak dai yang le. What is the product? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. And the LCM is 8. All right. Very good. Le. This one in. Okay, we are going to write now. Sok mol top lavin athuka enanom nan kan ziak ve thin don ani le. LCM kan ti kha LCM kan zon chua to chuan divide hi ate pani ziak to lovin atoi pani ziak to lovin asei pakhat kan ziak to don ani asei pakhat kan ziak to dona ti chuan LCM hi anuaya kan ziak ang alai taka. Okay, in the middle alai taka kan ziak ang. Right. Le ti chuan ang tin nge achung mi kan zia don kan la thrang em le hemi mang hian kan chok don ani kan question mang khan ti chuan in ang tin nge achung mi hi kan zia don kan ti chuan first fraction. Let's start from the first fraction. Chutapo anuai zo ka tangin first fraction from the denominator. Okay, start from the denominator. Okay. 4 hian 8 hi kan divide don ani ani na taka chuanin 4 hian LCM hi denominator hian LCM hi divide turan tani entir nan ti hian denominator in LCM hi divide turan tani mo 4 2s are 8. The answer is 2. Okay. Ma se hetianga zia reng kha chu anin oma chu wang chon all sam dan kan soi don ani. Okay, listen carefully. Kan dil run kan divide don hetiava zia reng lo hian ti chuan en te kan ti ang kan ti chuan denominator hian LCM hi amun eng zat nge timetable khan 8 4 eng 4 zar nge ni 4 times exact nge ni kan ngai to don ni 2 zar tro kha kan dil ruin kan ngai to chuak mai ta ni hetia kan va divide ta kan va zia reng hi chonin anok don kan not kha chu wan chon dil ru khan kan ti don ni 4 times 80 4 times 4 2 zar tro. Okay, ti chuanin 2 2 la zia lo tur achunga mi chien en hian kan multiply leang 2 denominator LCM kan divide kan 2 kan hmu chuaka hei hi ta hian la zia mi lo tur chu 2 kan hmu chua chu achunga mi nen kan multiply leang 2 3s are how much 2 3s are 6 okay plus all right le am ham yang chi hang kan tile mai don ani 8 hian LCM 8 hi am hun eng zat nge how many time how many time ones are okay and 1 le 1 kan hmu chuaka achung kan multiply leang numerator okay 1 5s are 5 it's very easy okay ti chuan in achung le achung hi kan bel thei ta chi ta ni atira khan 3 le 5 kan bel thei lo kan tia a chan chu divide shranga an la om wang ani divide shranga an la om wang ani kan bel thei mi lo en tir nan fraction ni lo ta se 3 plus 5 ringot chu kan bel thei tro ma se fraction an ni to chuan this is wrong okay hnuai nei fraction ani to chuan in divide shranga an om lain kan belin kan pai thei lo le we're gonna add it okay we can add right now 6 plus 5 is how much 11 okay 11 okay mu har don plat hai ta kan zek mai nga 6 plus 5 is 11 by 8 okay the answer is 11 by 8 all right the chuan in kan answer hi entir nan question a khan reduce to the lowest term lo tileta se te theyang bera chantiro I answer kha ate theyang bera chantiro lo tileta se lang kan answer hian kan answer kan fraction hian achung le hnoi hian common factor several theitu number in ang ala neyem ti kan check leang 11 is prime number isn't it only the number 1 and the number itself can divide exactly okay 1 le ama le ma chin several theitua chu wang chuan in 8 timetable 11 om si lova this is the lowest term okay we can't reduce it all right le okay we almost finished we still have 5 minutes left okay can I erase if you want to copy write down okay okay let's do subtract all right try to solve it by yourself right now okay this is same as the previous one you should subtract instead of adding Have you finished? Does anyone finish? Okay, I'm still waiting for you. You don't have to. You don't have to be in a hurry. You still have 2 minutes. Okay. And after that, write down prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay. You have to learn. You have to familiar prime numbers between 1 and 100. Can you see properly? Can you see properly? Two, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Okay. Okay, I separate the range of 10. 0 to 10 in Karami, 10 to 20 in Karami. Okay, 20 to 30 in Karami. Ashangin by heart and nan kazik. Oh. Okay, have you finished this one? Okay. What is the LCM? What is the LCM of 5 and 10? Show me with your finger. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? What did you get? 10. Okay. Is equal to what? 2 into 5, isn't it? Okay, that is 10. Now, 10, 5, 2, 0, 2, 7, 0, 14, minus 10, 1, 0, 1, 3, 0, 3. Okay. 14 minus 3 is 11 by 10. And this is the lowest term. Okay, because 11 is prime number. Only 1 and the number itself divide exactly. Okay. Have you finished to be down this one? You have to familiar all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Plus 5 china chuanin 1 atong 100 in kara prime number hi kan thiam chin mangai ni. Oh. Okay, hemi kan zia zo chuanin voini tan chuanin kan du tokang. Oh. Tikhanin kan zir china kha chiang takalo thiam zel turani. Okay, I think you all have finished. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. See you next time. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Okay, you're very welcome.
You're welcome too.
Thank you, sir.